Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi A1 S-Line 25 TFSI S-Tronic. This particular model comes in the stunning glacier white metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. Being an S-Line, you get matte grey design elements on the front and rear bumpers, as well as the slightly more angled side skirts and front and rear bumpers and rear boot spoiler. From the 1 litre petrol engine you get 93 brake horsepower and 175 Newton meters of torque. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights giving you optimal visibility regardless of weather condition. And tying in really nicely with the S-Line styling package are these 17-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels finished in silver, which offer a nice subtle contrast to that white metallic paintwork. The boot lid needs to be opened manually and offers plenty of space for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage, and even features this nifty little luggage net to hold down any items instead of them rolling around. On the inside we have part leather, part cloth seats for maximum luxury with the matte silver handles tying in with the S-Line styling. Both outer seats do come with Isofix points, so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of this vehicle, making it the perfect family car for those after a small city car. In the front we have the leather S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind it. Next to that is the central screen and manual air conditioning. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossed in there at the top, and they are manually adjustable with manual lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured using the multifunction controls on the left side of the wheel, and on the right is your volume and voice control, so there's mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central screen you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or even the multimedia input. This means that you never feel disconnected and never miss a notification. Also included in this screen is the car's settings, where you can change the driver's assist or even the parking aid, making your rear sensors louder or quieter and turning off entertainment fader. The manual air conditioning featured here shows that you have maximum control over the speed, direction and temperature of the air, as well as turning on or off the rear window heating for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for watching this presentation on the approved used Audi A1. If you have any more questions, do not hesitate to get in contact with our sales team.